And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the includes method. We've got a string here with a couple of colors. Let me print it out using document.write. And now we want to, for example, find the color red. So I use dot includes and then in quotation marks red. And it's in there, therefore we get true. And if we make that yellow, we'll get false, because yellow is not part of our string. One more thing to add, we can also define a specific position inside of the string where we want to start searching. If we, for example, look for the color white, we have it 2 times in our str, so it should return true. It does. But now we can set after white a comma and then define a position. That's at 20. And now it's false because 20 exceeds inside of the str tag both of these whites. The first one starts right here. That should be index 7. And the second one makes it also true. So if I go higher than 7, let's say 10, it's still true because of the second white. But if I go to 20, it's going to exceed both whites in the str, therefore it returns false. And this is how you can use the includes method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.